We're introducing a new partnership for Häfele. It's called the MyCube Safe Company. We're featuring the MyCube Safe Mini at this show. You open it with a 4-digit code. It has a high gloss finish. It has solid steel walls. It has tamper resistant bolts. It has an interior light, a removable shelf, and a soft cushion for the bottom. We feature these safes in 17 different varieties. We've got MyCube Classic, MyCube Mini. We have the in-drawer MyCube. We have a couple of different fire safes, and we have fireproof bags. We have a show special for the customers. If they scan this QR code or go to our website, they can actually see specials for our own house assortment as well as some of our top suppliers. We have various items that are from Häfele. We have the Spidey gloves, we have the Häfele glue and glue bottles, we have the Häfele tape measure, and the bucket of screws. We are also featuring our Tight Bond product, our Dynabraid and global abrasives, as well as our stretch wrap. Please go to our website to get your deals on the show specials.